So, Assalamualaikum. I will be introducing the chapter 1, which is the introduction, which consists company profile. The company profile, which stated that is the company incorporation in 2008. The shop located at Kuala Nerang, Kandar, and also consists 12 members of staff. It is in industry of food and beverage, and the type is the Bumi Putra company. And also the specialty in this shop is the Nasi Kandar, which is the main one, which they will more focus on the high quality, which have flavor Nasi Kandar, rich culinary tradition, and the highest standard of taste and quality. The ingredient, they will make sure that it is fresh, halal, and toiban halal, which is concept, which is purity and wholesomeness. And also the role, significant present in the food and beverage sector, which is the company is mainly on the beverage and food sector, and the customer base is a wide range of customers seeking for alternative Nasi Kandar. There are several types of foods that you can have in Nasi Kandar Shariff, which is the main is of course the Nasi Kandar, and also mi goreng mamak, nasi goreng, nasi ayam penyet, and also yimi sizzling. As you can see below is the organization chart for this company, and also the main owner is Encik Ahmad and the family below of it, which is Puan Zilawati, Afif, Amirah, and the marketing person. Below of them, they have several staff which is helping them to serve and also to prepare all the dishes and the beverages. There are several types of foods that you can have in Nasi Kandar Shariff, which is the main is of course the Nasi Kandar, and also mi goreng mamak, nasi goreng, nasi ayam penyet, and also yimi sizzling. Overall, the industrial visit to Nasi Kandar Shariff aims to provide participants with a comprehensive learning experience, enhancing their engineering management and also economic decision-making skill. By offering practical exposure and a real-world observation, this visit will better prepare participants to manage projects in multidisciplinary environment in their future endeavors. Thank you. What can we observe from the location and layout strategy is the location is new location which is nearby the food court near Pekan Night in Kuala Nerang, and also it is 950 meter from the current location. The location is more parking space than the usual, and also it is more pleasant from the older place, which is the more pleasant eating area. There are several layout strategies, which are raw material storage. The company itself will have a store which will store all the raw material. Next, finished good storage, and also a store which they will store all the finished good storage. Next, processing area, which is Nasi Kandar itself. We can see how they are processing all the Nasi Kandar by ourselves. And also, next one is the packaging labeling. The packaging from Nasi Kandar Shariff itself, how will they prepare that they serve outtakes and also intake for the food. Next, the administrative and documentation regarding account and everything that relating to the document. Next, the quality control. Shariff itself, they have their own process on how the quality control of the own food. Okay. Next, the workflow and material workflow, which is they have their own material and they have their own workflow and material flow, which they will ask their staff to follow all it to serve all the Nasi Kandar and prepare Nasi Kandar. And the last one is the utilities and support.
Product quality management is ensuring that product meet specific standard and customer requirement. First, they have quality planning control, where they use the same cook every day to maintain standardized recipe and maintain consistent taste. Second, they have quality control system, where they have strict hygiene and safety protocol in the kitchen. Third, they have quality assurance system, where they have regularly testing days and have two different cooking schedule, morning and afternoon, to keeping the dishes fresh. Fourth, they have actively seek and implement customer feedback, where they review and optimize their cooking and preparation processes regularly and experiment with new recipe to keep the menu exciting. But service quality management are ensuring that service provided are consistently meet or exceed customer requirement. First, they make sure prepared beverages came first so that customer can enjoy their drinks while waiting for their food. Second, they renovate and expand the shop as needed, like adding table or adding chair. Third, they regularly collect data to improve their services from customer and their staff. Fourth, they have flexible payment option like cash or cashless. And fifth, they have innovative cooling system where they spray water onto the rooftop so they can reduce the temperature inside the shop.
Today I will be discussing our finding from observing the inventory management system at Nasi Shariff. The inventory management system at Nasi Shariff determines the amount of stock and raw material to order. The system helps the company track what is to be ordered at any given time. By ensuring there is always enough stock and raw material, it means both worker need and customer demand, preventing shortage. However, maintaining the right balance is crucial. Excess stock can increase costs and reduce cash flow. Therefore, it is essential to have an efficient system that avoids both shortage and excess. At Nasi Shariff, the inventory management employs a probabilistic model and safety stock. Orders are placed weekly to maintain the desired safety stock level and avoid stock out. Most material orders are used or stored up to 2 weeks. During special events like wedding, material shortage may occur. To address this, Nasi Shariff follow a detailed process. First, workers gather order detail and send request to high management for approval. Once approved, the admin enter the requisition into the system and send it to the vendor. The vendor AJ Enterprise complete the order and send the material to the warehouse. Upon receiving the goods at the warehouse, quality control check them, make any necessary adjustment, and then forward them to the payment process. In the payment process, then it forward to the account payable. They make pay invoice and file payment packet in the vendor file. Once confirmed, payment is made to the vendor. The goods at the warehouse have a batch code to ensure time use. If the material price is discounted, the company use a quantity discount model by buying in large amount. However, it will depend on the material, and some can only store for a short time due to spoilage.
Chapter 5 is about the proposal for total management, production and operation improvement. Firstly, I will discuss about the location and layout strategies. The new location that we think is more suitable is to relocate to a food court near Pekanat, Kuala Nerang. The location is only 950 meters away from the current location. It also offers more parking space and more pleasant eating area for the customer. Next, to improve the product and service quality, they should maintain a robust partnership with suppliers and keep the raw materials in suitable storage to guarantee a steady stream of fresh and high-quality ingredients. They also must standardize food preparation procedures to ensure the consistency and excellence in every dishes. They can conduct training sessions to all kitchen workers to ensure they are skilled in these standards. Moreover, customer feedback tools are also useful information for the restaurant to make adjustment and improvement depending on customer tastes and complaints. Lastly, to improve the inventory management, they can implement a well-organized stock-taking procedures to enable a comprehensive evaluation of stock levels and detection of any inconsistencies. Furthermore, the use of standardized recipe management can effectively regulate portion sizes and minimize food waste. Finally, they can develop multiple storage zones for various types of components to minimize the likelihood of expired products. They can implement the first in, first out inventory rotation strategy.
The company visit provided valuable exposure to students before they enter work life. This hands-on experience is crucial for understanding real-world application of the study. Through the assignment, students were able to analyze the performance of the company they have visited. This analytical practice is essential for developing critical thinking skills and understanding business operation. As a result, students can propose solutions to improve the company performance, profitability, and quality. This process encourages innovative thinking and practical problem-solving ability. It is highly recommended that lecturers continue to include the academic visit in their curriculum. Early professional exposure is beneficial for student career readiness and professional development. Furthermore, it is suggested that this company visit be extended to other academic faculty and other courses. This will allow a student to gain a comprehensive understanding of professional work, environment, and job scope. By broadening the scope of this visit, students from different disciplines can learn to communicate and collaborate effectively. This is essential for work project and interdisciplinary work. In conclusion, company visits are vital component of the company academic chain. They provide early exposure, enhance analytical and problem-solving skills, and prepare students for professional career. Expanding this visit to include more faculty and courses will further benefit students by fostering collaboration and deeper understanding of their professional work.